Hey y'all, I'm kinzeyrae. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how I did two styles with these clip-ins from CurlsQueen. This first style is going to be a really natural looking middle part. I'm using their 3C48 water jerry curly clip-ins in 14 inches. I have blonde highlights in my hair and the color match is so good. I started off by just braiding my hair in the back, and then I have some leave out up in the front, and I took the longest clip-in first, and this one is the longest by width. They come in a bunch of different widths. This one has, I believe, 5 clips and it goes all the way up to 1 clip. So I'm taking this one first and then I'm just working my way up, and I just installed them in a U shape. And this is just one bundle of their clip-ins. I love how full they are and the quality is always so good. I love the curl pattern. It matches my hair so perfectly, which you guys will see later on in the video. So now I'm just going to continue installing the hair, and I'll jump back in when it's time to blend my leave out. And to blend my hair, I just use my hands, I use my diamond brush, and then I also just did some finger curls, and it just turned out looking so flawless. Now I'm just applying some heat protectant, and I'm going to go in with my diffuser to really lock in the curls. And here's how the first style turned out. So simple but cute and natural looking. I love the texture of this hair. The color matches my hair so perfectly, and they were so easy to install. So now let's move on to style number 2, which is personally my favorite. So I just started by brushing my hair in a downwards motion, and I'm going to be sectioning off the very top part. Now I'm just going to be detangling this section and just putting it into a bun, because this is where we're going to be installing our clip-ins for that really natural high puff look. So I'm going in with my first clip in, and what you want to do is pretty much just put it in front of your bun, and you're going to like tuck it underneath the hair and just clip it in, and you just want to do that all around the bun until you get back to the front. And I just did that same process until I got it to the fullness that I was looking for. Once I got to this point, I was really loving how it was looking, so now it was time to just define the rest of my hair and slick that up into a high ponytail. Now I'm just going in with a few different products to define the curls and just make it really pop. And it is already looking so good, y'all. This is one of my favorite styles. Now I'm just going in with my diffuser to dry the hair and lock the curls in place. And here's the final look. It turned out so cute and natural looking. Like I said, this is one of my favorite styles yet. The hair matches my hair so perfectly and it just looks so natural. I did do another tutorial for this on my TikTok, so definitely go and check that out. And again, this hair is from CurlsQueen. I'll have all of their information down in my description box. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye.